I am so happy to receive Giandel 2000 watt power inverter and would like to share the open box video with you guys. Here's the label. It tells you this product has 18 months warranty. Open the box. You'll see the product and all the accessories. Now let's check the product details. This is the front side. The cables can be connected from here. The output side. Here's an LED display. You can get the input voltage, output power, watt or kilowatt. Now let's connect the batteries. Ensure you correctly connect the cables to your battery and inverter. The red cable to positive pod and black cable for negative pod. Otherwise, it will burn the fuses inside the inverter. After setup, the appliances can be normally used. Operation. You can press the switch for 2 seconds or press the remote control to turn on the inverter. It's handy. The cable is 15 feet long. Here's a USB, 2.4 amps max. It'll auto-detect your devices and give a 2.4 amp current in max. Thanks for watching this video. If there's any problem, please contact us.